Yes, my son is paying $400 child support. He has a 13-year-old daughter, my only grandchild. He hasn't been able to see her in 2 years. The mother they went to court, and the judge told them at the time that if he wanted to have his child and see him at any time he could, but she's not letting him see him. I wanted to ask the question. They told him he had to come up with $2,500 in order to go back in front of the judge at family court. Is there anything else that he can do, because he don't have the money for that?
No. So the $2,500 issue, I'm just going to assume that he talked to an attorney, and that is a retainer fee that attorney has quoted. That's just my assumption. But with that being said, no, he can file any type of pleading in the court without an attorney if he wants to. He can go and do that on his own. Most of the paperwork at the clerk's office, some of it is pre-printed. I do recommend having an attorney. But no, he does not have to have that fee of $2,500 to go back before a court. There is a filing fee. He does need to be prepared to pay whatever the filing fee is, and that amount differs depending on the county and what particular court he goes to. But as it relates to visitation, I'm not sure if he's already had visitation established originally when he was ordered to pay child support. If he does not have visitation established, I would suggest that he go to the court. If he does not want to hire an attorney, he can go to the court and petition the court, file a petition for visitation. Therefore, the court can order him some type of standard or whatever the court determines is the best type of visitation for that child. They can order that visitation. And if that mom does not follow that order of visitation, he could then ask the court to hold her in contempt for violating the court order. And he can go back to court for that as well.
Wow.
Adrian, I've got a quick question for you, something that I always want to bring out when we do this show, and that's the issue of custody, sort of in the vein of what you're talking about, and how important it is to get custody right in the way you want it initially, because it's so difficult to change after the fact. Talk to our folks a little bit about that and why that is so important to get done correctly on the front end.